Hello everybody, well this is it, it's the last one. This is personal best for 30 days 30 pours. Thank you very much for following me on this journey so far. I'm really tired but I'm really happy and I learned so much. I will be glad to upload the final video and kind of celebrate in the fact that I managed to finish this, if not completely on time and on schedule. I did manage to finish it. So for personal best, I think I am going to do another special effects pour, and I'm going to do what I suggested in my do-over video, which is to stick to a really limited palette. I'm going to go for cold colours, blues and purples, and I'm just going to use the blue and magenta colour changing powders that I have. So I'll use a magenta UV changing powder and a blue heat changing powder. And hopefully I'll be able to make a flip cup with that, and then just to throw something in that I haven't tried before, because I think what I'm best at is having a go at stuff really. I got some Rain-X the other day, never tried this. It worked to great effect for Gina DeLuca and many others, so I will give that a go. I'm going to mix my paints up and I'll be back in a moment. I'm going to make two small flip cups. So I've got some generic acrylic white from the Daiso. This is mixed up with some distilled water. I'm completely out of pouring medium at this point, so some of these paints have got pouring medium, some of them don't, and we'll just have to go with what we've got. Right, I want the powders to be near the top, so I'm going to mix those up and pop those in next. Right, I'm just putting my heat reactive powders in now. So there's the thermoactive blue in there. On top of that I'll put a little phthalo blue because that is transparent or translucent. And I'll put some Prism Violet, which is also transparent or translucent. Now the phthalo blue and Prism Violet are both mixed with polyvinyl alcohol as a pouring medium. The details about that are on the Balloon Smash video, so if you want to find out more about those paints, I will not only list them in the description box below, but there will be a playlist of 30 days 30 pours. Check that out if you want to find out more information about what's going on as I'm using up these dribs and drabs of paints. So let's put some white over the top here. Both of them. Right, the next thing that I want to put in is the light reactive pigment. Okay, so this is the light reactive pigment. I'm going to put quite a lot of this in because it's going to be much further down in the pour. So I hope that it will be able to fight its way to the top. These are both pinky purpley colours. It's split up into all different little pots, but in reality it's all kind of the same magenta colour, to be honest. Okay, that looks a lovely shade of grey at the moment. Show you about that. Oh, fingers crossed for that one. Not convinced that's going to come out. Anyway, moving on. In case it does, here's some quinacridone magenta to complement it. Right, this is a metallic pink. This is De La Rania Graduate. I'll tell you what, this challenge has really helped me get to know my paints better. Absolutely. That's a really valuable thing that I've learned through doing this. Okay, last drips of Prism Violet. There. Some dioxazine purple. in both of those. what am I going to do for the last few bits? Have a little bit of fun. My final pour for this challenge. Okay, right, let's put some interesting paints in then. I've got a bit of this halo pink gold from Lumiere. Put a little bit of that in both. Some pearlescent turquoise, also from Lumiere. Some halo violet gold from Lumiere. That's not the one I wanted. Some blue violet flash from Colour Shift. Some purple flash from Colour Shift. Okay, my last paint is going to be this metallic green from Sostrino Greener, and I'm also going to use that as a base because I really like it. So I'll put some white and some metallic green down as a base. Right, I've got 2 flip cups. I need to put them both on because they've both got SFX paints in. Oh, that went everywhere, never mind. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to need that Rain-X. This is selling up like crazy. Okay, quickly put that one on. Is it over here, maybe? I wonder if it'll come up. What's really interesting is how much this has sold up and how much this hasn't, because they had the same paints in them. I don't like it, but that's what it is. It's the end of 30 days 30 pours. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and I know that I've certainly enjoyed the challenge, and I've enjoyed it all the more for your support and for your subscriptions and your comments and your likes and for your general interaction with me. So please give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and consider subscribing to my channel. If you'd like to see more of my work, I am behind on my updates at the moment on Instagram, but my Instagram is Tokyo Makes. Once the intensive editing of this challenge is over and my computer problems have been resolved, then hopefully I should start to be able to upload stuff more regularly to Instagram as I'm making pours. If there's anything at all that you'd like to ask me, or any videos that you'd like to request, then leave a comment down below. Yeah, once again, thank you very, very much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy pouring, everyone. Bye.